So how to divide a given quantity into the given ratio? What are the quantities given? How to divide this into given ratio? Let me show you the easy and simplest method. Here is, let me take one example, rupees 20. Divide this 20 rupees you have to divide between A and B. Between A and B, let's take in the ratio 2 is to 3. So in the ratio 2 is to 3. This is the total amount we have to divide to the A and B two persons in the ratio 2 is to 3. So how much each one will get is the question. Right? For this, ratio is 2 is to 3. So that means A is to B. That should be exactly equals to 2 is to 3. A, if we get every 2 parts, B is supposed to get 3 parts. Like for example, if A get 2 rupees, the same time B is supposed to get 3. So total ratio we can make it is, that means total parts. Total ratio is 2 plus 3, that is equals to 5. So A is to B ratio is 2 is to 3 and total ratio is 5 now. That means out of 5 A is supposed to get 2, out of 5 B is supposed to get 3. Now if you want A's share, A's share is A actually is 2 parts out of 5. This is the A share. So how much total? 20. So you should take into 20. 2 by 5 into 20 is the A share. Same way B. B's share. So B ratio is 3. But out of 5. 3 out of 5. This is the part of the ratio. And total is 20. 20 should be divided at the rate of 3 is to 5. 3 by 5 into 20. We can simplify this. 5 ones are 5, 4 times 4. Now 2 4s are 8. Here is 3 4s are 12. So A is supposed to get 2 rupees and B is supposed to get 12. 8 rupees and 12 rupees. Total 20 in the ratio 2 is to 3. So this is the easy method. Any big number and any ratio is given, you can go for this. Find out the total parts first. A ratio by total, A's ratio by total ratio into the total amount or total quantity what you have to divide. Okay. This is the way we can use. Let us say take with the 3 ratio with the 3 terms. Now the question is like divide rupees 260 among A, B and C in the ratio. Let me take the ratio. In the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So ratio is given here in this question fractional form. This is the dividing amount to A, B, C in this ratio. First let us take like previous topic. Ratio should be in the whole numbers, not in fractional form. So for that 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4, right? Take the denominators 2, 3, 4 and find LCM. First LCM of the denominators 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 LCM is 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 3 asties, 2s are 4. Again 3, 1, 2 asties. So 2, 3, 4. 2 times only 3 and 2 we have. 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. 12 is LCM here. LCM is 12. So every fraction you multiply with 12 now. Into 12. This is exactly A is to B is to C. So here is 1 by 2 into 12. 6 can cancel, right? 2 ones are 2 6 are. 3 ones are 3 4. 4 ones are 4 3s are. 4 3. 6 is to 4 is to 3. That is the ratio between A is to B is to C. So A should get 6 parts, B should get 4 parts, C is supposed to get 3 parts. So A share is more. Here you can find out the total share or total ratio. So 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 13. Now we can make the question easily. Total amount is 260. If you want A's share. A person ratio is 6 out of 13 into the total amount or total quantity what they're supposed to get, that is 260. This you can simplify, you'll get the amount to A ratio. Same way B. If you want B share, so B ratio is 4. 4 by 13 into 260. You can simplify this. And C. C is share. So C ratio is 3 by 13 into 260. Just simplify, you'll get the answer. So 13 times 20 is so 6 into 20. 120. Here is same 13 20 is 80. 20 into 4. 13 20 is 260. 3 into 20 rupees 60. 120 plus 80 plus 60. Again the total amount will get. So 260. A will get 120, B is getting 80 and C is 60 according to the ratio. Okay, this is the any quantity is given, any number of terms in the ratio, we can use this same method. Same concept, let us take another type of questions in case if they'll give LCM and HCF. For example, okay, the ratio between two numbers. The question is the ratio between two numbers. The ratio between two numbers is 4:5. If an LCM is if their LCM is 180 and find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay, so this is the question. Ratio between the two numbers is 4:5 and the numbers LCM is 180. So to solve this, first let us take the numbers. Let numbers be 4:5, right? Let's take 4x comma 5x. Ratio is 4:5. So I'm taking x as some constant. Here is a 4x and 5x. Based on x value, you get the numbers. Now 4x and 5x LCM. LCM of 4x and 5x. So least common multiple for 4 and 5 is 20. So 4 into 5 and x. Yeah, 20x is a LCM for 4x and 5x. 4 and 5 is 20, right? And x is a common. So here is the 20x should be equals to 180 is given in the question. Now from this x is equals to 180 divided by 20. Zeros are cancelled. 2 1s are 2 9. X is equal to 9. Then you can get the numbers. Then those numbers are 4x and 5x. So 4 into 9 and 5 into 9. So 36 and is 45. 36 and 45 are the numbers. This is about the LCM. Same concept even go for HCF also. In case if HCF or highest common factor is given, that find the highest common factor for the numbers and make equal that one you can find out. Okay. These are different. The main thing is the quantity they'll give and ratio they'll give. We can use the like previous problem type to solve those. This is about the main thing about the ratios. Let us continue with the proportion now.